safer oil tanker has been moving near to Hodeidah port for nearly 3 decades with no maintenance. A recent report by one environmental organization has revealed that oil spill expected to happen is huge, and this could cause a disaster. More on the story is within this report.
A massive oil spill waiting to happen off the coast of Yemen. A decaying safer oil tanker at the coast of Yemen is waiting for environmental calamity. These statements came as a warning in most of world press organization pages to keep a terrified eye on what's going to happen because of this environmental disaster. Scientists have warned that safer oil tanker is at risk of leaking more than 1 million barrels of oil into the ocean. The tanker has been anchored off the coast since 2015, when the town closest to it was taken over by the Houthi militia during Yemen's ongoing civil war. Since then, maintenance has stopped for this tanker to confront its fate and threaten Yemenis' lives. The risk of oil spill is increasing due to erosion and could heavily impact Yemen and neighboring countries, especially that this area has vulnerable ecosystems. Livelihoods and health are expected to be hardly affected, while the Houthi militia is still preventing UN teams from inspection. In a piece for CNN, one of the scientists has set the alarm about the tanker, saying that if the tanker causes a spill, it would be an environmental calamity, worse than the Exxon Valdez disaster in 1989, in addition to the harm caused to aquatic life, in which many of its worst impacts would directly affect people by producing toxic fumes that could easily cause sickness. He further noted that the fisheries people in the area are dependent on this ocean for food and for their livelihoods. Negotiations have so far failed to resolve how to secure the cargo and ship, which has been left without maintenance for the past 7 years. Vital firefighting and prevention equipment and the ship's generators are not working. The situation can get dire, as the vessel is at risk of igniting into a waterborne fireball, which could erupt with massive explosive force, wreaking even more potential ecological devastation.